Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a simple recipe with very less ingredients. This dish will be little bit thick type, gravy type, not too dry, not too runny. And I'll use almond spinach stem which we call lal shager datta with potato and prawn. Very simple recipe. So let me go ahead and start preparing this recipe. These are my garden fresh almond spinach stem. Here I took the tender part of the stem. I removed the skin and washed and cleaned it properly. First, I'll fry the prawns. Here I'll add salt and turmeric. Now in the same pan, I'll put oil. I'll add bay leaves and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I'll add potato and almond spinach stem. Now I'll add salt. Add salt as per your taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and cover it. Cook it for 5 minutes. Now I'll add half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Now I'll add half teaspoon of sugar. It's optional, depends on your taste. Add half cup of water and bring it to boil. Now add fried prawns and slitted green chili. So my cooking is over. It's very simple, very yummy recipe, but it goes well with only plain rice. So cook plain rice and have it with the plain rice. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.